Okay, now we're back. In total, it took about an hour and a half for this to dry at about 190 degrees. And I've since let it dry even further for several hours, for about 2 hours. And now I am ready to do a little crunching. First of all, I want you to hear this. Isn't that? This way, you know that these are dry, and I checked them. So now I am going to enjoy the rub. I like to rub my basil just a bit as I break up the pieces and prepare it for storage. So excited about this. Oh my gosh, it smells absolutely divine. And I can use these in, salads. I don't do a lot of soups, but I really would like to learn, how to make great soups. So if you see this video, please note your comments below, share recipes. You can share links below if you like. This is all in the family, and I would like all of us to, just to share, what we do best. If it's cooking, if it's gardening, if it's whatever you do. But I am having an absolute ball, and I just want you to see the final product. All right, so here we go, and then what I'm going to do, I am going to store it in this mason jar. And I'm also going to give some away as a gift. So anyway, enjoy your fall harvest in whatever way you choose. It's just a lot of fun to do this. All right, take care.